Hey guys, welcome once again to our kitchen here. It's Realize and Mali. Today we're gonna be doing a Dhal Pholouri for you guys. As you know, you have the regular Pholouri, and that one is usually made with flour and the split peas. But this Dhal Pholouri here is made only with split peas. And we have our split peas there, which we've soaked for about 3 hours. You can soak that for about as little as 3 hours or overnight. We're gonna be using some salt in this recipe here, some roasted ground geera, very pepper, and some garlic there. We're gonna be grinding our split peas here on the conventional old mill here, but you can also grind it in your blender and all those new gadgets that you have, which makes it a lot easier. We're only using this mill here because we have this here and this is what we are accustomed to using, okay? So you don't have to find a mill like this here to make this Dhal Pholouri, alright? So with that being said, let's begin. Okay guys, so I'm grinding the dal here now. So to grind this dal here for the Dhal Pholouri is the same coarseness as you would grind for your Pholouri, okay? So not any coarser or any finer, the same setting, the same coarseness that you would grind for your Pholouri, okay? And if you're not quite sure, it's yours truly, Realize, grinding the dal here. Alright. And I'm doing a fantastic job. Okay guys, so for this Dhal Pholouri here, we're gonna add our garlic and pepper as we are grinding our dal here so that it gets mixed in. So this is the old-fashioned mill, guys, that has been used for years and years and years. But of course you have the newer choppers and blenders and stuff like that, which is way easier. So there you go guys, so we're gonna add our garlic and our pepper here and grind the rest of this split piece, and then we'll continue, alright? Okay guys, so we have finished grinding our dal and we have transferred it to this basin here, because we're going to be adding the geera and the salt and mix it in here, so it'll be better to mix it in something like this here. So Molly is adding the roasted ground geera there. And she's adding the salt there now. So I love this Pholouri here a lot more than a regular Pholouri, guys. This has the chunky peas in there. Just peas. No flour in here. You know, sometimes you get Pholouri, but it's more floury. It's more flour and peas. So this one is going to be the real thing. Yeah guys, so all you want to do is mix in your roasted ground geera and your salt in there. Make sure everything is mixed in. And that looks like it's done there ready. Okay guys, so our oil is hot here now. And Molly is adding here. We tested a couple. So these Pholouri here, this Dhal Pholouri, you don't make them big, very small, and you don't smooth them out. It's a rough roll like. They should be rugged in a sense. Like that there. You don't squeeze too much, just lightly form a little ball there. So you don't apply too much pressure when you're forming these guys, just roughly. You make your little balls about that size there. What is making? So our Dhal Pholouri is finished frying here, my friends. And this is what it is here. So let's see what they look like. And there you go. So that is the famous Dhal Pholouri, guys. Very yummy. Take my word for it. Try this recipe. You'll love it. So there you go guys. If you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. When you subscribe, you get notified of every video that we post to YouTube. Also, please click the bell next to the subscribe button, which allows you to get instant notifications. Please share this video as well. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.